Oh, nice one?
Yeah.
A carp?
No, it's on my...
Oh.
Dude, it's smack. Oh yeah, it's a nice white bass.
Oh, what? Dude, a white bass? That's sick, dude.
Dude, it's
Sick,
dude.
dude.
They got master angler.
Probably with 16 inches
Dude,
for master angler.
I think this is a PV.
Yo.
Dude, look at that. Yeah, he's like 16 and a half.
Dude, yeah.
So can you grab a picture?
Yeah. Alright, now dude.
2.5 pounds, dude?
Yeah.
Dude, that's big.
I think it might be bigger than the one I got. A big ass.
I could feel that it was big the second I touched it.
Yo, I got one. This thing feels good. Yo, this thing is huge. Look at that donkey white bass. Oh my god. This thing's 17 inches. You got one?
Double up.
2.56 is fine. Oh.
I don't think we needed the net.
Just got this donkey 17-inch white bass. Yours is probably what, like 14?
Yeah. Well, it's like a baby compared to his.
Yeah. Still nice ones though. Let's get some more. I kind of want to go see it.
Yeah, I'll stay over here, but you can run over if you want.
Cool.
Hell yeah. Thank you, sir.
That's sweet.
Okay. That's what I get, I guess.
What an asshole.
Look at that thing.
That's awesome.
I thought I had a huge white bass on.
Maybe he wants to be bait, dude. Like he does.
Bro, no way.
He's like, please. You might need to like throw him.
I'm trying to push him off a little bit. There you go. There you go.
See, buddy.
No, I caught white bass, but for this year, for my
Oh.
competition, it is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, it's
Dude.
small here.
It is? No, it's a largemouth, I think.
Largemouth, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Oh, nice one, actually.
Dude, that's sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Dude, why are all the fish doing that today? Oh, does this feel good? Yeah, he's on a fish right now too. I think he just caught a white bass. Get in here, get in here, get in here.
That's sick.
Dude, fuck
Yeah,
yeah.
I got a double up there.
Do you have like a hard tape?
Yeah, yeah. Nice. One guy's doing like a nice release, the other just...
Who's the one with the nice release?
Yeah. Yeah, I see like 4 ripples on the river right now, and they're all from different fish. Oh, finally I got another fish, dude.
Yeah, we can.
All 3 of us are fishing over here, and all 3 nets are over there.
That is actually
Are you jumping? I think it's a white bass. I guess it could be something else, but I don't think so. Yeah, get in here, buddy. Holy shit, that's a big one. Dude, white bass are so fun. .14-inch white bass. See you, buddy. Oh, dude, that feels good. Okay, now it's swimming right towards me. A nice white bass, I think. Oh my god, that thing's big.
That thing's fat.
Dude, this thing is fat as See, buddy.
I mean, it's dope, but it sucks.
Snagged in the tail.
Oh, come on. Can't even get it out.
Yeah, that's
Dude,
a nice one.
Imagine it bit, dude. That would be so sick.
Dude, that's so
Over
sick.
now.
Nice.
Thank you.
Get a
What
picture of that
the
posted on
fuck,
Fishbrain.
dude?
That's
Dude,
so.
Damn, bro.
Look how f***ing pretty it is. Dude.
I know. I love
I've
these
never
things.
seen one in person that was so yellow.
We doubled up on snacks there.
Dude, flathead are so sick.
Oh man, that sucks.
I need to throw a rod over here, dude. You on?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Dude, when I say I just casted this thing back up, I just casted this thing back.
Nice one, dude.
I get flat time to come over and play. Isaac, like less than 2 minutes after I recast. I got one last rod out that you guys are in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing just ripped away. Yeah, that's a good catfish, dude.
Yeah, that's fun. Yeah.
See how much faster he came in on this, dude?
Yeah.
He's just sitting here idle, just waiting to be netted. Look at that. Doesn't give a Hell yeah, dude. It's a big old fat catfish. Drink it right now. He's about 28 inches. $9.36. All right, you guys, just got my first channel catfish of the night. 28 inches and barely over 9 pounds. Big fat catfish there on cut bluegill. We're gonna get this guy back. That's so cool.
I looked over and I was like staring at the rod for like 20 seconds. Couldn't tell if it was moving or not.
Looks like a nice one.
That's a good one. I like you doing that. Pretty smooth. I don't even need that though. I kept the drag tight so that I would get home.
Got it. Nice. Got it? Feel good?
Alright, nothing special.
Hitting right in, dude. Doesn't give a. Oh! Nice, bro.
I know, dude. Ooh.
Oh, that's crazy.
Wow. Lumpy.
Yeah. He looks like a pickle.
Yeah.
Wonder what that is. I'm gonna get a picture of that. That's crazy looking, dude. It's only a matter of time, dude.
I literally just casted this back out.
Come on in here, buddy. That's a good one. Look at that.
That's a good one.
Still a nice one though. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, not a bad fish.
I actually kind of want to get a length in it. Just see.
No, I got measuring tape.
Mine's 0.5.
Oh, that was
Look at
sick,
that.
dude.
Feels nice.
Yeah, it feels nice. Thank you, sir.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Funny though, Booyah had the move.
Kind of lumpy too, actually. Yeah, look at that.